Hello and welcome to another hacking video. I'm Ed. In this video, I want to show you how to use PowerShell to encrypt files inside a folder, and obviously we can then decrypt them. So first things first, I started a listener for my HTTP server on my Kali machine, and then I started a listener to get a reverse shell. On top of that, I will encrypt a directory that I specify, or should I say the contents of a directory, so that you can't access it. So kind of similar to ransomware. It's just not as lucrative or difficult because it just uses Windows to encrypt it. But I just wanted to show you that it is not difficult for bad actors to do something similar like this with proper ransomware, obviously then demanding um, ransom and obviously getting a backdoor, etc. So I'm going to go to my Exchange server, and you can see in my Exchange server I've got a test directory under the C drive. Inside test, I've got a test text file. Inside this, I've got some numbers. This is a test. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to encrypt it. So first things first is if we go to Kali, you'll see I downloaded Netcat. I have a reverse shell. Um, and then if I go back to my Exchange server, you'll see that it's now obviously made the file unusable. Can't do anything. Can't access it. I can't change anything. So what I'm going to do now is I'm on this machine, you'll see it's got a .enc. I'm just going to run the decrypt quickly, and you'll see that the ENC extension is removed. If I open the file and I put another number in, for example, save it, you see I can access the file. Obviously, this is not meant to, encrypt and, how can I say, um, cause malicious damage. It's just kind of a demonstration as to what would happen if a bad actor got onto your machine and was able to do something like this. This is pretty much straightforward PowerShell with AES to decrypt and obviously to encrypt. You can see it's 47 lines of code, obviously with some explanation, and it creates a key. The key is actually saved to temp directory. There's the key. You can obviously see I was testing. I encrypted all my, including Netcat. I included all or encrypted all my stuff here. And if I go into a folder and a subfolder, you can see I've encrypted everything inside. So you can see it, everything within a folder. Obviously, this is a new file, is encrypted. Can't access it unless I run the decrypt. So it's not technically, that I can't get access to the machine anymore, or that Windows is broken. No, it's just a temp directory. So I just wanted to show you combining a simple reverse shell, downloading Netcat, and then encrypting a path will obviously then, give you what you want to do, or shows you how an attacker does things just on a higher scale. And obviously you're not going to see this PowerShell script because it'll probably be encrypted or run in upper memory so that AV or EDR and all that can't detect it. So just another demonstration, and ensure that you have your AV running, ensure that stuff is being monitored, ensure that PowerShell logging is enabled so you can see what's going on in your environment. And if you do have some activity, at least it's logged, you're aware of it, it's not just going under the radar. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I thank you very much for watching.